The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for Southeastern Ottawa County in north-central Kansas until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bennington, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and tennis ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bennington. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.